Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to make a local conference call on your VVX450 phone. Your phone allows up to 3 parties, including yourself, to participate in a single call. This is referred to as a local conference call or a 3-way conference call. To create a conference call with up to 2 other parties, engage the second party by either calling them or answering the call. To contact the third party for the conference call, press the More function key, then press Conference. This will automatically place the active call on hold and you will hear a dial tone. Dial the number of the third party you wish to add to the call. Once the third party answers the call, press the More function key and then press Conference. All 3 parties are now joined in the conference call. To leave the conference call, but leave the other 2 connected, hang up your phone or press End Call. To end the conference call for all parties, press the Split function key. Press End Call for each one of the lines that you want to disconnect. To place an active conference call on hold, press the Hold key. The other parties will hear your music on hold recording. To resume the conference call, press the Resume function key.